The Praxis Lips Series PCB Module 4054 is your go-to solution for boosting device performance. The Praxis Lips Series PCB Module 4054, a versatile and reliable component designed to elevate your device performance. Transform your technology with this cutting-edge module, crafted for excellence. This module is crafted to boost device performance with unmatched versatility and reliability. Seamlessly integrated into your existing systems, ensuring top-notch quality and functionality. This module offers seamless integration into existing systems, ensuring top-notch quality. The Praxis Lips 4054 is your solution for superior electronic enhancement designed for excellence in every aspect. The Lips PCB Mod 4054 stands out in the Praxis Lips series for its exceptional performance and seamless compatibility with diverse electronic systems. Designed to deliver reliable and efficient operation, this model ensures your devices function at their best. The Lips PCB Mod 4054, a standout in the Praxis Lips series, renowned for its exceptional performance. This model ensures seamless compatibility with a wide range of electronic systems, making it an ideal choice for enhancing device functionality. The Praxis Lips Series PCB Module 4054 offers seamless integration into existing electronic systems. It enhances device performance, ensuring compatibility across diverse applications. Thank you for watching.